Okay, next up, what I want to do is actually clear everything up here because it's starting to get kind of messy. So let's remove the video, the images. Actually, we cleared the whole body, okay? Everything is removed. So Control Save, and that's gonna get rid of everything. So I want to show you how links work. So let me just add a H1 here. So we do have something on the screen. Hello there, link. And hit save, so we get that. And now under this, I want to add a link maybe to my YouTube, or let's just do something simple. So what I can do is I can press A and hit tab, and that's going to generate us an anchor tag. And as you can see, it has this href, which all it means is that you need to add a link, kind of like this link up here. So this can be a bit confusing here. Anchor is going to be the link that you click on to visit a page, but this link is actually different. This is basically for linking your icon or linking your style sheets in the header. So Anchor is used to actually have links on your website. Okay, so let's provide one. Which one shall we do? Let me pull up, let's search for DevEd here. I'll do my YouTube channel for now, but all you have to do is just copy the link and we're gonna drop it into the A tag here and to the href, my apologies, and hit save. And you might be wondering, okay, well, there's nothing here. What is this? What is this trickery? Well, we also need to add some text here so it shows up as a link. So what we can do is say DevEd's YouTube, like that, and hit save. There we go. And as you can see now, we have that. And as you can see, this again has some basic styling on top of it. So you have this kind of bluish color. Is it bluish? It's purplish color, and an underline there. So when we click this, it navigates to the link that we provided here. Okay, that's cool. But as you can see, it actually opens up the page here, and we left our original destination. And sometimes you don't necessarily want to do that, especially if you have a website or maybe you have your portfolio, right, and people are looking at it, and then you click on maybe a project that you made, and then they leave your website basically, right? So what you want to do is you can also click on this and it's going to open up in a new tab. So what this means is there's actually an attribute here called target. And by default, that target attribute is gonna leave the page and it's gonna just go straight to the link that you sent it. Well, we can go here to the A tag and we can say target like this. And as you can see, there are a few, it's very nice. VS Code is just fantastic. It gives you all the options that you have. So as you can see, it has self, all right? This is the default behavior. So it's gonna redirect, but then you have this blank. And all it's going to do is it's going to open up in a new tab. So this is exactly what you have to write, target and underscore blank. So let's do that. Target underscore blank. Let's hit save and see if that works. Click and take a look. We have arrived to our new page. Awesome. Now, I actually want to show you something. We can also combine the anchor tag with a link. You might not necessarily want to have text in here. You might want an image or a logo. So take a look. Let me show you something very cool. We can go to Icon Monster, and this is a website where you can get a ton of super awesome icons. And I'm gonna search for YouTube here. So let's search YouTube. And let's just get this one. This is fine. I'm gonna hit OK and download. And I'm just gonna open up the file directory here and drag it inside here for now. Okay, perfect. Let's close this up. I'm also gonna get rid of this MP4. We don't need this anymore. And you know what? Let's get also rid of the images folder here. So now take a look. I can just go here and I'm not gonna add the text anymore. I'm gonna take everything out here and I'm just gonna drop in an image. So you can actually nest an image inside this anchor tag. Let me make more space here so it's a bit more visible. Okay, so let's make even more space. This link tag is a bit too long, so it's a bit, might be a bit difficult to see what's going on. But I'm just basically adding the image between the anchor tag, so in between the opening and the closing one where we add the text. So in here, I'm just gonna write image and hit tab, and that's gonna give me a source here. Again, I'm gonna talk a bit about the alt later, so let's get rid of that. But in here, I can just add a slash and link to that icon monster. And as you can see, we have the button now as a logo. So when we click on this, it still works the same way, but you can also have images, PNGs, JPEGs, whatever you want here to show up as a link. So there we go.